Today's objective is to stalk and harvest a red Lechwe, a chestnut-colored antelope that likes to feed on aquatic grasses. The Lechwe is also known by many hunters for its meat, among the most lean and carries only a moderate fat content. With the morning cold front moving out and giving way to warmer conditions, the animals were up and moving, and it wasn't long before the Lechwe made an appearance.
That's a young one.
With a couple younger males, as well as several females showing up in close proximity, Bruce and Brian make a move to find an older male.